Hello, so today we have learned how to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers. So I'm going to show you how to do that on the Google Slides. So we have an improper fraction here of 5/3. We know it's improper because the numerator of 5 is less than the denominator 3. So when I'm drawing my fraction models, what I'm going to do is use the table. When you write it in your spiral, you're able to make those rectangles and break them apart into however many denominators you have and then shade them in. So we're going to basically represent that but use tables. So what you're going to want to do is go here to Insert and click Table. And we want to choose however many boxes that we have for our denominator. So since we have a 3 in our denominator, we want to choose 1, 2, 3. And you can kind of use these arrows here to the side to drag and make them a little bit smaller so that we can fit all of them together on one page. And you can use this cross arrow to move and drag your fractions. So there's 1, 2, 3. Remember, I'm going to need 5 shaded. So what I can do is I can click, and since I need all 3 of these highlighted, I can click and drag and go to this paint icon and choose whatever color I would like to fill it with. So now I'm showing 3 out of 3 that are shaded. So I need to insert another table. Same denominator, 3. Again, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller so that they fit there together and drag them beside each other. So I have 1, 2, 3 shaded. I need 4, 5. So I'm going to click and drag, but I'm going to make sure not to highlight this section because that stays unshaded. All right, so there's the model. And my mixed number, remember, I look at how many I have as a whole. So this whole model right here is shaded. So that's going to represent one whole number. This model is a fraction because less than whole is shaded. So 2 parts are shaded, so that's my numerator. 2 parts are shaded. And then remember I put that backspace to show the fraction bar? It's the same key as the question mark. Backspace, and I have 1, 2, 3 parts all together, so that denominator is going to be 1 2/3. And when you click enter or return, since it is a proper fraction, it's going to recognize 2/3. So my improper fraction of 5/3 is equal to 1 2/3.